Hey guys, it's me again. I don't know why I'm whispering, but anyways, let's get down to business. I'm V and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hey!
So we're back with our 25 days of Christmas videos. And right now I'm gonna do my tomato chutney. Now, tomatoes are usually the best in flavor during summertime. But you know what? Sometimes
You use what you can get.
yeah, and you know this chutney that I'm gonna make, it's you put it on anything. You can put it on just toasted bread. You can put it on a stir fry. I mean, it's pretty versatile. It's really flavorful, and I will show you guys in another video that we're gonna put up. I'm gonna show you a different way of using it as well. So right now I have my pot. It's hot. So what I'm gonna do, I have about a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I'm just gonna let those roast in there.
Okay, so why are you using the whole seed instead of the ground?
Because I want that crunch in the chutney.
Okay.
Because this chutney is all about texture. I don't want it to be all, you know, like a condiment all whirled up. I don't want that. I want texture in this. That's the reason that it's so versatile, is because of the texture it has. So I have my cumin seeds going, and I'm gonna stir it around. And when I start to smell it is when I know it's ready for me to put something else in it. So see, do you smell it now?
Starting to, yep.
Yeah. So what I like to do, I'm gonna show you guys what I like to do. So when I'm toasting my cumin seeds, I kind of like smush the seeds up a little bit like this. It just adds more flavor.
Well, it breaks them open.
Yeah. All right, now I see the color starting to change. I love smelling roasted cumin seeds. Love it. All right, now, so here's what I'm gonna do. This is about 5 tomatoes. They were like medium sized. They're not super large. If you can get large, still use 5. But I'm just telling you guys, this is about 5 tomatoes. Put all of them in here.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it down to medium. Now you can see the tomatoes are starting to change color because they hit the heat. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add, this is about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now I'm not adding coriander seeds because I don't want the specific bite of a coriander seed, so I'm gonna add the powder. And I'm gonna add, this is about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And it's kind of like a sweet sour kind of thing, so I'm gonna put that in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get every...
And that would also help brighten up the tomatoes since
Yes.
they're out of season and not
Yes.
as flavorful necessarily.
Yes, exactly. All right, now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add some salt. You add it as you want per taste. I added about ½ teaspoon. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And I'm gonna...
Is that a ½ teaspoon measure that you get?
Yeah, I do, but the pepper is like half of a ½ teaspoon.
So a quarter of a teaspoon.
Yeah. I'm gonna let this cook up a little bit. I want the water to kind of dry up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, now that I've stirred everything in, I'm gonna put the lid on and let this go for about 5 minutes on medium. Alright guys, so we're back and this has been cooking and it's cooked down, as you can see. And you just take the back of your spoon and smush it up a little bit. Turn it on high. Now I like the consistency just like this. You know, I don't like it more dry or you know, yeah. I think this is perfect for me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna put, I have about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Just gonna put it in there. And there we go. You can put this on toast. You can put this on a sweet potato. You can put this on baked potatoes, regular baked potatoes. You can put this on anything, guys, and I promise you, the flavor is amazing. I'm not kidding about that. So this is my tomato chutney. Try it out. Tell us how you liked it. And also subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys can know when our videos come up. We're still doing our 25 days of Christmas. And make this recipe. Tell me how you like it. Tell me how you used it. And Pam's behind the camera today. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, guys.